So hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Saisha YouTube channel. And today we're gonna make double layer chocolate sandwich cake. So let's start. So first of all, we have to add 1 cup water in a pressure cooker or any utensil you can take. Make sure your utensil can be fixed on that bowl, whichever you are taking. A glass bowl you have to take. You can take a normal also, but a glass bowl used to take in this melting processor. Now turn off the heat when your water is boiled. Now you can see, place a glass nicely. Now add your milky bar. 2 milk chocolate, you have to add any chocolate you can add, but it should be milk chocolate only. Any brand. Okay, any brand it can be. Now melt it nicely. You can see how beautifully it is melted. Now add it in a mold. Before add it in a mold, you have to basically grease it with a ghee or a butter. You have to grease it. You can see how now I have greased it nicely. Now I have to mold it. After that you have to take it out by applying pressure on its downward portion. You can see how I am taking out, otherwise it can be break also. Okay, you have to make sure, be careful. You can take the tips of Ranveer sir, which is Ranveer Brar, chef Ranveer Brar. Okay, now we melt this milk chocolate. Because it was not melting, it was in a thick consistency, so I add some milk in it. I add 1 teaspoon of milk and mix it like this. You can see how beautifully it is melted now. Now I have to mold it also. Now you can see, mold it and keep it in a freezer. Now grease a butter on a pan. Now make a toast. Okay, like this you have to make a toast. You have to make 3 toasts like this for 1 sandwich. Now put the sandwich on pan. I will suggest you don't put it on a pan. Now put your chocolates on it. See how many chocolates you want to add, you can. Okay, but it should be not a lot also. Now add some water. Tap some water on the sides so it can be pasted. Now paste the other side of the bread, a toasted bread of course. Then add your white chocolate nicely. Okay, add it nicely so it can be fixed. Okay, it should be not take it out from your toast like that. It should be not done. Okay, now wet it and then make it like this. Now bake it like this. Put in a pan for 1-2 minutes. You can add for 2 minutes only on the lowest flame. Don't burn it. Okay, you can see how beautiful it is looking right now. Now make it again on for 2 minutes only. You can see now I'm checking it from the fork, so it is seems like melted. From your in camera it's not showing down, you can see this. Now grease it with your chocolate sauce. Chocolate sauce is your optional. If you want to add on, you can, or if you don't you don't add. Okay, it's fully optional. Now add your white chocolate, then your milk chocolate, and then this cute cartoon chocolate. Okay, it's optional. If you want to add this cartoon chocolate, you can add or not. So thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.